Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is school purposes only. During my observation and my 10 days, I think 10 days, I experienced to help the student to clean their area, the backyard. That time, inutosan ako ng arte ko na si Choi Bibes na bantayan ko yung mga bata to take care and tulungan sila to guide how to arrange that um, well na kasi may ordinance na ibahin yung pagtanim, so pinaganda nila yung backyard nila and nakita ko yung mga